Question: find the sum sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity n over n power 4 plus 4. So here we need to find the sum of infinite terms. So for that one, TR is equal to R over R power 4 plus 4. So we will solve this question by difference method or telescopic method. For that one, let the denominator, that is R power 4 plus 4, you factorize this denominator. That is, you write this denominator, that is R power 4 plus 4, as the product of two terms. For that one, what I do is R power 4 plus 4, I will add 4R square and subtract 4R square. Now this R power 4 plus 4R square is a perfect square. That is, this is nothing but R square plus 2 whole square minus 4R square can be written as 2R whole square. So which is of the form A square minus B square. That is, this can be written as R square plus 2R plus 2 into R square minus 2R plus 2. Now find the difference of these two factors, that is R square plus 2R plus 2 minus R square minus 2R plus 2. So here R square and 2 gets cancelled, 2R plus 2R, that is 4R. So the difference of these two factors is 4R. Now TR is equals to R over R power 4 plus 4. Now what you do is you multiply and divide with 4. That is 1 by 4 into 4R over, here R power 4 plus 4 can be written as this R square plus 2R plus 2 into R square minus 2R plus 2. That is R square minus 2R plus 2 into R square plus 2R plus 2. Now what you do is this is equals to 1 by 4. So this 4R is same as the difference of these two terms. Now replace 4R with this difference, that is 4R can be written as R square plus 2R plus 2 minus R square minus 2R plus 2 over R square minus 2R plus 2 into R square plus 2R plus 2. So which is equals to, that is TR is equals to 1 by 4 times R square minus 2R plus 2 minus 1 by R square plus 2R plus 2. So this is our TR. Now the question is what? Sum of infinite terms. Therefore rth term is, that is TR is equals to, that is TR is equals to R over R power 4 plus 4 is equals to 1 by 4 times 1 by R square minus 2R plus 2 minus 1 by R square plus 2R plus 2 terms is equals to sigma 1 by 4 times sigma R vary from 1 to infinity 1 over R square minus 2R plus 2 minus 1 over R square plus 2R plus 2. Now open these brackets. by putting r is equals to 1, 2, 3, etc. If you put r is equals to 1, first bracket becomes 1 minus 5. Second bracket becomes 1 over 2 minus 1 over 10, plus third bracket becomes, for r is equal to 3, 1 over 5 minus 1 over 17, plus fourth bracket is 1 over 10 minus r is equals to 4, 1 over 26, plus fifth bracket is 1 over 70 minus 1 over r is equals to 5, 37, plus etc. up to infinite many brackets. That is equals to 1 by 4 into, here this 1 by 5 cancel, and 1 by 10 minus 1 by 10 cancel, minus 1 by 17 plus 1 by 17 cancel, etc. All the term gets cancelled except this 1 and 1 by 2. So our sum of infinite terms is equals to 1 by 4 into 1 plus 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2. That is equals to 1 by 4 times 3 by 2. That is equals to 3 by 8. So this is the final answer. Therefore, sigma n is equals to 1 to infinity n over n power 4 plus 4 is equal to 3 by 8. So this is the answer.